This one is heavy.
Look closely, my friends. Tonight, we pay a little visit to Bob and McQueen.
Fellow Beto.
Welcome to my alley. I hope you brought pain meds, because we are just getting started. Banana!
Beto, banana, polka. Grr. Attack!
Look what you've caught today! This raw power will soon be unleashed by my hand. Here's your payment for a job well done. Destroy this city for me! My car! Give me back my new car, Excavator Crab McQueen! Hey! What do you think you're doing, you big... Whew, just made it! So... My God! I can't even go banana in peace anymore! Help me! Excavator Crab McQueen, attack the police station for me! It's bulletproof! Cease fire and fall back! We need heavy ordnance now!
We need backup and medical extraction at Sector 4 immediately.
Move! Move! Move!
Bello! McQueen! You are Pioka, not Beedo! Bob will save you! Bob knows how to save you!
Hang in there, McQueen!
Le Zooch! The power of her!
Poka! Everyone? See everyone? With strong friendship, anyone can be a superhero!
What a mess! Don't worry, there's plenty more where that came from.
Ugh, this one is heavy!
Look what we've found! Well, well, well. It seems we have a visitor. Let's show them some proper hospitality, shall we?
Bello! Kamunakather! Oh, Tim! Poopai, eh?